Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ebiwari John. In our last video, we solved a problem on simultaneous equation and we used the elimination method in solving that problem. In today's video, we'll be using the substitution method in solving the same problem. It involves two linear equations with two unknown. So let's go straight and solve the problem using the substitution method. It says find the values of x and y respectively if 3x minus 5y plus 5 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 7y plus 8 is equal to 0. So we have the two equations, 3x minus 5y plus 5 is equal to 0. Let's call this equation 1. And then we have the second equation, 4x minus 7y plus 8 is equal to 0. Let's call this equation 2. So using the substitution method, you make either x or y the subject matter in any of the equation. You make either x or y, any of the unknowns, the subject matter from any of the equations. So in this video, I'll be using from equation 1, I'll be making x the subject matter. So making x the subject matter here, I'm going to take minus 5y this way and also plus 5 this way. So I'll have 3x from 1, we have that x is equal to 5y minus 5 divided by 3. I can call this one my equation 3. So from equation 1, we've been able to make s the subject matter. If we take minus 5y this way, it becomes 5y. If we take plus 5 this way, it becomes minus 5. And then we divide both sides by 3 to get divided by 3. So we are going to plug this expression for x into equation 2. Remember, we made this from equation 1, so we are going to plug it into equation 2. Our equation 2 again is 4x minus 7y plus 8 is equals to 0. So we are going to plug this expression for x into equation 2, so that our equation 2 becomes 4x is 5y minus 5 divided by 3 minus 7y plus 8 is equals to 0. The next thing we need to do is to clear this 3 that is at the denominator here, so that the equation becomes a straightforward one. So we are going to multiply through every term in this equation by 3. So if we multiply this equation, this term by 3, we are going to have 4 into 5y minus 5. So the 3 we use to multiply this cancels out with this 3. And therefore multiply this by 3, we are going to have 3 times 7 is 21y, and then here we have plus 24 is equals to 0. Then we expand this, so we get 4 times 5 is 20y, and 4 times minus 5 is minus 20, and then we have minus 21y plus 24 is equals to 0. So collecting like terms, we have 20 minus 20y minus 20y minus 21y, that gives us minus y, and then minus 20 plus 24, that gives us plus 4, and this is equal to 0. Okay, so by implication, if we take y here, this implies that y is equal to 4. When we take y to this side, becomes positive y. So this is minus y, crossing this way becomes positive y. So positive y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4. We are going to substitute y equals to 4 into equation 3. But you can substitute into equation 1, equation 2. But it will be straightforward when you substitute into equation 3. So substitute y equals to 4 into 3 as we have on the board. So doing that, I'm going to have x equals to 5. Our y, 5y, 5 is, our y is 4. So we have this minus 5 over 3. So this gives me 5 times 4 is 20 minus 5 divided by 3. And so this gives me s equals to 15 over 3, which implies that s is equal to 5. Yes, s is equals to 5. So our value for x is 5 and our value for y is 4. Please don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. See you in our next video. Bye.